Agbara Lusada Atan in Ado-Odo, Otta local government area of Ogun State, is an industrial area due to the proximity of these areas being close to Lagos State. Over the years, Atan-Lusada-Agbara road, which is supposed to be an industrial road, has been in a deplorable state. Although Lusada-Agbara road has been fixed, I was there around November 2021, but the connecting road, which is the main road, was left out as of then. Presently, construction work is ongoing on the road, and the construction is slated to be completed in September 2022. At some section of the road, one lane has been done while construction work is still ongoing on other section. This area is one of the places that generates huge IGR for the state, making the road and Ogun State the industrial capital of the country. The completion date for the whole project is end of September 2022, but from the look of things, I don't think the road construction will have been completed by then. But hopefully, the contractors should be able to complete the project before the end of the present administration of Ogun State, bearing in mind there is no unforeseen circumstances. So guys, sit back and let me show you what have been done on this road and the level of construction of this project.